Prepare for a collectible piece of British driver training history with the DSA Practical Driving Test Official Guide DVD Car Drivers Level 5, presented new and sealed in its original retail wrapping. Produced by the Driving Standards Agency, this official Region 2 DVD demonstrates the practical driving test, explains 24 key driving skills and covers the familiar Show Me, Tell Me section. The packaging also advertises a digital version of the official highway code, with an approximate running time of 95 minutes. Included is the original sealed DVD case with complete printed front and rear artwork. Its unopened condition gives it strong appeal for collectors of British motoring memorabilia, discontinued educational media or official driving school materials. Please note that this is an older release, so its guidance may not reflect current driving test rules. The DVD will be securely packaged and dispatched by Royal Mail Tract 24, with 10% donated to Hopefield Animal Sanctuary. Grab this sealed collectible now before it goes.